So I'm going to show for our viewers the input that is, that are possible for this Bose Solo Soundbar Series 2, and we will go through each of them in detail. So you can see I have the optical, which is the second one, optical in, which is the second one from the left, connected to the TV. So I have a TV which supports the optical output, so that will go in the Bose speaker for the sound. Then you have auxiliary in. So this was one of the question that was posted, that do we have auxiliary in? So yes, we do. The first input that we have is auxiliary in. So if you have an auxiliary cable, and if your TV or your MacBook or iPad or old version of iPhone or Android phone supports the auxiliary output, then you can have the auxiliary in here, and that will give the sound out of this speaker. Then you have optical in. Then you have coaxial cable as well. This is the cable which is also designed for a lot of other amplifiers and a lot of other modes where you can have this input as well. And obviously this is the power. So power is connected to the power outlet. So auxiliary in, optical in, coaxial in, and the power. So these are all the connections that you have in the back to get the output of the sound through this sound bar. So I will demonstrate about the remote as well. So you have this very special small remote. The first over here is the power. The second one says, if you want to take the control and take the input from the TV, then you can click this. Then if you have connected your Bose with the Bluetooth, then you wanna click this. If you click this, then the second light gets turned on there, and it is trying to locate any Bluetooth on your system, like your iPad, MacBook, or any other system which supports the Bluetooth technology. It's trying to locate that, and if you have turned on, which I'll be showing in a few minutes, then it will connect to the system automatically. If you want to go back to the TV, you can click this, and it will go back to the green indicator there saying you are connected to the TV right now. Obviously this is for the bass. So if you click the bass or bass, and if you try to increase or decrease, then you see how the indicator changes. So I'm decreasing it, and indicator goes back to the only left hand side of the section. So it is down to treble. And if I go back to the bass, and if I increase it, I'm trying to keep it at 50%. So treble and the bass at 50-50. So this is how I'll set this up, right? Then you have the mute button, which you can configure here, or even your TV can support that. If I have this clicked, the dialog option, these are, this will minimize the bass completely, and this will be very helpful if you are watching news, or if you don't want really the music to have that loud bass in the background. So this will really help you with that. And this is all the function that is needed with these speakers, right? So if you really don't want the dialog mode, I can click this and go back to the green indicator there. So it is telling me that I am right now connected to the the regular bass mode, which I have kept at 50%. If you really want to go high on the bass, I can click this. Or if I want to go back to 50-50, this is what I can do. So this is the bass set. So I hope this short video is really helpful for our viewers to connect or to see the inputs that is needed for the Bose.